Do you know a simple Shopify online store can make anywhere around $500 to $5,000 per month? And all of this by just making us easy and an elegant Shopify store. So if you want to build your own Shopify store, then you are at the right place. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So today we will be building a Shopify store and launch your e-commerce business. This is how your website would look at the end of 10 minutes. See how homepage would look. We have a nice and tidy header section with all the important menus. We have banner image, we have a call to action button. And if we go down, we have featured products. Or if we go down, we have a nice footer menu that shows all the cards that we accept. We have subscribed to our email section. If we scroll up, we have a bestseller icon. Check out any of those products. Suppose I click on this one. I can click on buy now. You can put in all those details and you can buy it out. If we go back, you have a contact us page where the buyers can contact you. Now I'll show you how your website looks on a mobile phone screen. See how responsive it is. See the banner, it has a CTA button. We'll click on that and see all the products that you can shop from. We have this menu. We'll click on bestsellers. Let's see, these are the bestsellers. You can click on the product. You can click on buy it now. So let's start building a Shopify store. We'll Google Shopify. Click on the first link. We'll enter our address and then we'll get a 3 days trial period. We'll fill in all the details. Click on next and continue with email. Write down the password and create Shopify ID. It's validating your account and generating credentials for us. And now it's building our store. And this is the first look of your Shopify dashboard. So if you see on the bottom right corner that we are on a trial period, so it will be ending in 3 days. Before we start anything, let's compare all the available Shopify plan and buy one. Without buying a plan, we cannot make our store public. So we have 3 plans: basic, Shopify, and advanced. The first one is for an individual purpose. The second one is for smaller businesses. And the third one is for medium and large businesses. So the major difference between the 3 of them is the staff members. In the first one can have 2, the second can have 5, and the third can have 15. And the other crucial difference that comes up is the third-party transaction fees that Shopify charges. So on the best plans, it charges only 0.5%. On this middle one, it charges 1%. And on the basic plan, it charges 2%. The third and the most crucial difference is with the advanced plan, you can calculate and show the shipping amount at the end of the product. Now, let's buy a plan. We'll be choosing the advanced plan. I'll click on advance. You can confirm the billing cycle now. Now, you can add your address details. Click on save. You can select the method of payment. I'll choose UPI and on setup UPI. We'll add our UPI ID. Now, as the payment is done, we'll click on subscribe. Now we are on an advanced plan. We don't want a POS right now. We'll click on no thanks. Now, let's start off with adding our first product. We'll click on product. Click on add your products. Add the title of your product. I'll add it as earphones. Now we have to describe our product. I've added the description. We'll scroll down. We'll add images for your product. We'll scroll down. We'll add the pricing for your product. Make the compare to price as a higher price. You can add the cost of each item that costs you. Shopify can calculate the margins. Now you can add all the SKUs that you have, the total number of products. You'll add the weight of the product so that it helps in calculating the shipping cost. We'll click on save. Click on view your product. Click on view. Now this is how our product looks. We have not coded anything. We have just done few clicks and our product is live. Now let's change the name of our store and launch our website on Shopify. We'll click on settings and check. See in the profile section, you can see the store name. My store name is Bazaar. If you want to change it, click on that edit icon and change your store name. Now we'll publish our store. We click on themes. As you can see, the store is password protected. You have to remove password to make it public so that others users can visit your website. I'll click on remove password. Now, once you have removed your password, in order to go to your store address will be store name dot myshopify.com. So this is how your store looks right now. This is quite basic. We have added the product, it's visible. We'll make it better. Now we'll be designing Shopify website. We will be changing the boring look of our website and give it a more authentic and amazing look. We click on themes, click on customize. In order to change this banner image, we'll click on this banner image, click on select image on the left hand side, choose the image. I'm uploading an image from my laptop. Click on done. Now the uploaded image is visible. If you want to change this text, click on this text and on the left hand side, you can alter this text. You can go back. Now we will see the settings on our footer page. You can change the text on subscribe for email. We'll be adding the privacy links. And then click on save. Now, if you want to edit the mobile view, you can click on mobile view. This is how it looks on mobile view. This is how it looks on full screen. Let's go back to desktop. This is mobile. You can again change something that you want to alter for your mobile screens. You can change the height and width of the text. Now, let's see how our website looks right now. Now it is looking a bit better. We have a banner section. This is how our product looks. Now we'll be adding collections in the header section. Imagine a collection in your Shopify store as a cool club where you group all those similar items, like putting all your favorite electronics. It makes shopping easier for your customers, letting them find exactly what they want without wandering around. Now let's set up collections. We'll click on product, click on collections, create collection. We'll write the name of the collection. Bestseller electronics. In order to add products in your collection, you have two options, manual and automated. With automated, you can add tags in your product. With manual, you have to add it yourself. We'll click on save. Now your collection is created. We can browse products that we want to add and add 4 products here. Click on add. Those 4 products are added in your best electronic seller. Now we'll add this collection in the header section. We'll click on online store, click on navigation, add menu item. We'll name it as bestseller. In the drop-down menu, we'll click collections. We'll choose our collection, bestseller electronics, click on add, same menu. Now we'll head back to our online store. Now you can see we have an extra icon of bestsellers. We have all the 4 products that we have added. What is the use of e-commerce store without an option to pay? Let's set up Shopify payments. Right now, if you click on buy now, fill in all your address details, click on continue to shopping. As you can see, you don't have any payments. Now to add payments, we'll click on settings, go to payments, and in the payments, we have 3 sections. The first one is to use the PayPal, and the other is manual methods like COD, bank transfers. We'll be choosing the third party. We'll choose Stripe here. You write down Stripe, choose Stripe. We'll sign in with our account. We'll connect our account to Shopify. Now, as you can see, Stripe is ready to accept payments. Now, if you refresh this payment page, we have an option to pay via credit card, debit card. Now, let's try buying something. Click on Buy It Now. Click on Continue to Payments. We'll write down our card details. This is the page that will come out once you have successfully placed your order. You have shipping address, billing address, everything is there. Now I'll teach you how to update your order status. On orders, click on the order. We can click on fulfill items. Now there's an option to add the courier name. You can choose anyone from here. It's an exhaustive list. I am doing it myself. You can give the tracking URLs if you are choosing there. Tracking numbers. Send shipment details to customer. We'll click on fulfill order. Now this order is fulfilled. Now we'll be adding custom domain in Shopify. Adding a custom domain to a Shopify store is like giving your shop a unique address that's easy to remember, just like a house with its own name. It makes your store look professional and trustworthy, so shoppers know they are at the right place. If you want any help in choosing the best domain name, then watch our videos with the link in the description. So let's click on settings. Now we'll click on domains. Now you can see we have two domains that are from myshopify.com. If you want to buy a new one, you can click on this. Like I want to buy buzzhards.com. It is unavailable because I already own it. I'll search for buzzhards.in. It's $17 a year. It is very costly. You can go to GoDaddy or somewhere to buy it. I will be correcting my existing domain. I'll write down buzzhards.com. Next. And verify connection. Now it will tell me what all things I have to do, the CNAME and e-records that I have to paste in. I'll do it on my Hostinger account. Once I'm done, I'll click on verify connection. Now, as you can see, buzzhards.com is already mapped now. Only SSL is pending. Now let's check whether my site is getting redirected. Now it is loading. We have directed our Shopify website to buzzhards.com. Let's say you run an electronic store online. Shopify POS is like a digital helper that assists you in selling gadgets in your physical stores too. It keeps all your sales and inventory organized, whether people are buying online or walking into your shop. It's like having a smart sidekick to manage all your electronic sales. So we'll click on point of sale in where we are selling right now. Select which POS you are using currently. If you're using anyone from the list, Shopify will help you migrate. I'm not using any, so I'll select that. Now you can get the POS app, order hardware, and set up the hardware to set up your offline store working with Shopify. That's it from my side. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'll reply to all of them. If you liked our content, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.